Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to do class 6th chapter 2 components of food part 3. So I have completed till part 2 and if you have not seen, the link is in the description. You can go and see from there. So now let's start with our part 3. So let's see our fourth component and it is minerals. So I have told you 3 components that were carbohydrate, fats and proteins. So now we will deal with minerals. Okay, so let's see what is it. Minerals are essential for proper growth and development of our body and to maintain good health. Okay, so I'll tell you what is minerals. Mineral is something which is essential for our growth and development and also it maintains our good health. मतलब हमारी health को maintain करने में और हमारे growth और development करने में minerals हमारी help करता है. So what are minerals? Minerals are essential for proper growth and development of our body and also to maintain good health. यानी हमें बीमारी ना हो जाए, हमें कोई disease ना हो. So for that it protects us and it maintains good health. Okay. So I hope this point is clear. Let's see the second point. Mineral protect us from diseases. Thus, food containing minerals are called protective food. तो मैंने अभी आपको बताया mineral protect us from diseases. So mineral हमें diseases से protect करते हैं. That's why जिन food item में minerals होते हैं, they are termed as protective food. Okay, such food item having minerals in them, they are termed as protective food. Okay, protective food. ठीक है? Let's see the third. These are required by our body in a very small amount. तो carbohydrate और fats या protein की तरह this is not required in a great amount, larger amount. It is required in a very smaller amount by our body क्योंकि इसकी जरूरत हमारी body में बहुत कम होती है. Okay, so let's. I hope these 3 points are clear. Let's see types of minerals. So here are the types of mineral. The first one is iron. Second one is calcium. Third one is potassium, sodium, iodine and phosphorus. These are some types of minerals. Okay, so you can take the screenshot if you want. I'll count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you have taken the screenshot. So I will just erase these all things and I will then tell you function of each of these types of minerals. Okay. So now after knowing the types of minerals, we will deal with their function and sources. Okay. So let's see the first mineral. It is calcium. Okay. And calcium ko we can write as Ca. Okay. So what is the function of calcium? It is needed for formation of strong bones and teeth. तो हमारी bones and teeth strong रहे ये ensure करता है calcium. Okay. And what is the sources? Milk and milk products, nuts, ragi, green leafy vegetable. इनमें से जो most important source है that is milk. Okay. Next one is iron. We can write as Fe. What is the function? Essential for formation of hemoglobin. And what is hemoglobin? I will tell you. You know, in green leaves there is one pigment present which is known as chlorophyll. In the same way, जो हमारे blood के cells होते हैं, blood cell, RBC, that is red blood cell, it has also a pigment known as hemoglobin. So after eating sources of iron, we get more and more hemoglobin in our body. Okay. तो उसके बाद what are the sources? It is red meat, liver, pulses, chickpeas, green leafy vegetables. These are some sources of iron. Okay. Let's see the third one. It is sodium. We can write it as Na. Okay. So what is the function? It is important for proper functioning of nervous system and maintain blood pressure. So you all know what is nervous system. It is it is a system in our body in which nerves are included, brain is included, and many more organs are included. Okay, so that is a separate topic. And what is blood pressure? I will tell you. Due to the pumping of our heart, the blood flows. Okay, क्या होता है हमारा blood एक pressure से पूरी body में flow करता है, and that pressure is provided by the pumping of heart. Okay, so इसको maintain करने का काम होता है sodium का. Okay, so if we eat more and more sources of sodium, then it will maintain our blood pressure. Okay, तो blood एक pressure में चलेगा, एक continuous pressure में चलेगा. Okay, क्योंकि अगर blood pressure ज़्यादा हो जाए, then also it is dangerous, and it is if flowing very slowly, then also it is dangerous. Okay. So what are the sources of sodium? It is salt, salted fish, cheese, pickles, papad, soup, seafood. These are some sources of sodium. Okay. Next one is potassium. So what is the function? Needed for muscles and nerves to work properly, maintain body growth. So we all know what is muscle and nerves. So हमारे muscle और nerve की proper functioning में पोटेशियम हेल्प करता है. ऑल्सो इट ऑल्सो मेंटेन्स आवर बॉडी ग्रोथ. ओके, हमारी बॉडी ठीक से ग्रो करे, इसका ग्रोथ हो, सो इट ऑल्सो मेंटेन्स दैट. ठीक है. व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज? इट इज मीट, फिश, बनाना, पोटैटो, सोयाबीन, नट्स, मिल्क. दीज आर सम सोर्सेज ऑफ पोटेशियम. सो पोटेशियम को वी कैन राइट एज के. ओके. देन वी हैव phosphorus. So phosphorus को we can write as P. Okay, what is the function? Essential for formation of bones and teeth. Formation of energy molecules which supplies energy to each cell of our body. Okay, so see, first one, the first function is to formation of bones and teeth, which is the function of calcium also. So phosphorus भी उसमें help करता है. Phosphorus also helps in formation of bones and teeth, and also it help in formation of energy molecules. मतलब energy के molecules जो हमारे पूरी body में energy supply करते हैं. क्योंकि whenever we need energy, so there are some energy molecules present, so that energy molecules is supplied to each cell of our body from which we get energy. Okay, so उस energy molecule का जो formation है, it is ensured by phosphorus. Okay, so what is the sources? It is meat, fish, eggs, milk, pulses, whole grain, nuts. These are some sources of phosphorus. Okay, and the last one is iodine. Iodine को we can write as I. Okay, so what is the function? It is control the functioning of thyroid gland. So what is thyroid gland? I will tell you. You can see the picture here. तो thyroid gland क्या होता है? Thyroid gland is a gland that is situated in our neck. ये butterfly जैसा दिखता है. It is in the shape of butterfly and it is situated मतलब हमारे throat के नीचे situated होता है. Okay. So इसका function ये होता है कि it controls our metabolism. So what is metabolism? It is a process in which केमिकल मतलब केमिकली एक प्रोसेस है जो हमारे सेल्स में होता है, इन विच फूड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनर्जी. इट इज अ केमिकल प्रोसेस. मेटाबॉलिज्म इज अ केमिकल प्रोसेस इन विच फूड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनर्जी इन ईच सेल ऑफ आवर बॉडी. मतलब हमारे बॉडी के हर एक सेल में जो हमें पता है कि फूड से हमें एनर्जी मिलती है. ओके, सो हमारे बॉडी के ईच एंड एवरी सेल में दैट फूड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनर्जी एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज मेटाबॉलिज्म. ओके, मेटाबॉलिज्म. सो इस मेटाबॉलिज्म को कंट्रोल करने का काम किसका होता है? इट इज ऑफ थायराइड ग्लैंड, है ना. और थायराइड ग्लैंड की फंक्शनिंग को मेंटेन करने का काम होता है. इट इज ऑफ आयोडीन. सो आयोडीन मेंटेन्स द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ थायराइड ग्लैंड एंड थायराइड ग्लैंड कंट्रोल्स आवर मेटाबॉलिज्म. ओके, सो आई होप this much is clear. And last one is the sources. So it is iodized salt, seafood, fish, seaweed. These are some sources of iodine. Okay, so I hope you understood the function and sources. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. I'll count till 5, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. I hope you have taken. So now let's see our last component, that is vitamins. Okay. So now after studying minerals, we will deal with vitamins. Okay, so let's see. It is also called protective food as it protects us from diseases and help us to stay healthy. Okay, तो हमने पढ़ा था, we studied that minerals are also called protective food and same vitamins are also called protective food. Okay, so both are protective food, don't get confused. Okay, so both are protective food as both of them protect us from diseases. Minerals also protect us from diseases and vitamins also protect us from diseases and help us to stay healthy and fit. Okay. The next one is it ensures to keep our eyes, bones, teeth, gums healthy and fit. हमारी our eyes, our nose, our bones, our teeth, everything it help us to make it healthy and fit. Okay. And the last is vitamins are needed in a very small amount. So like minerals, vitamins are also needed in a very small amount. क्योंकि इसकी बॉडी में जरूरत बहुत ही कम होती है. That is why it is needed in a very small amount like minerals. Okay. So most of the characteristics जो इसके हैं, it is same as minerals. Okay. Now let's see the types of vitamins. So first one is vitamin A, second one is vitamin B complex, then vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. So vitamin B complex we have written क्योंकि complex है, इसमें बहुत सारे types होते हैं. So in this class we will study 4 types. Okay. So first one is B1, B2, B3, B12. Okay. तो विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स में हमें भी 4 टाइप्स पढ़ेंगे, दैट विल बी विटामिन B1, B2, B3 एंड B12. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट दीज टाइप्स ऑफ विटामिन्स थ्रू अ टेबल. ओके, so now after knowing the types of vitamins, we will deal with their function and sources. Okay, so let's see the first vitamin. It is vitamin A. Okay, so what is the function? Keeps the eyes and skin healthy, needed for normal growth of body. So vitamin A is required for keeping our eyes and skin healthy. Okay, हमारे eyes और हमारे skin को healthy रखने में vitamin A हमारी मदद करता है, and also it supports our growth. Okay, so what are the sources of vitamin A? Green leafy vegetable, pumpkin, carrot, egg, butter, milk, etc. These are some sources of vitamin A. Okay, next vitamin is vitamin B1. Okay, so it is needed for proper functioning of nervous system and heart. So what is nervous system? I have told you. So nervous system की प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग में और हमारे हार्ट यानी हमारे दिल की प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग में मदद करता है. ओके, कौन मदद करता है? विटामिन B1. Okay, so what are the sources? Whole grains, green peas, milk, nuts, sprout, germinated seeds. These are some sources of vitamin B1. Okay, next is vitamin B2. So it is needed for healthy skin, for proper growth and development of body. So it is needed for healthy skin, मतलब हमारी skin healthy रहे. So for that it is needed, and also it is needed for proper growth and development of our body. Okay, so what are the sources of vitamin B2? It is milk, cheese, eggs, leafy vegetables, mushrooms. These are some sources of vitamin B2. Okay, and next vitamin is vitamin B3. So it is needed for healthy skin, for proper functioning of digestive and nervous system. So it is needed for healthy skin, हमारी स्किन हेल्दी रहे, एंड फॉर प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव एंड नर्वस सिस्टम. तो हमारा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम विद द हेल्प डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम क्या करता है? इट हेल्प्स इन डाइजेस्टिंग द फूड. मतलब जो खाना हम खाते हैं उसको डाइजेस्ट करके यूटिलाइज करने में डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम हेल्प्स अस, एंड नर्वस सिस्टम. सो ये दोनों की जो है प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग में एंड फॉर हेल्दी स्किन विटामिन B3 इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज? इट इज पोटैटो, होल ग्रेन, फिश, मीट, पल्सेस, मिल्क. सो दीज आर सोर्सेज ऑफ विटामिन B3. Okay, next is vitamin B12. So it is required for normal functioning of the brain and the nervous system, necessary for formation of RBC. So it is required for normal functioning of brain. हमारी brain और हमारी nervous system की एकदम proper normal functioning के लिए B12 is required, and also it is necessary for formation of RBC. So what is RBC? R for red, B for blood, C for cells. So red blood cells. तो हमारे body में जो red blood cells होते हैं, जो blood होता है, blood cells जो red वाले होते हैं, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो मतलब उसके बनने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड होता है B12. अगर हम विटामिन B12 के सोर्सेज लें, देन जो हमारा RBC होता है, रेड ब्लड सेल का काउंट जो है, इट विल इंक्रीज. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो B12 इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ ब्रेन एंड नर्वस सिस्टम. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज? इट इज फिश, मीट, एग, लिवर, milk and milk products. These are some sources of vitamin B12. Okay, next is vitamin C. So it is needed for formation of skin and bones and blood vessels and healing of wounds. ठीक है, तो इसका जरूरत क्यों होता है? ये हमारे स्किन और बोन्स और जो हमारे ब्लड वेसल होते हैं उसको पूरा मतलब उसके फॉर्मेशन में जरूरी होता है ये. ठीक है, किस किस के फॉर्मेशन में? हमारी स्किन में, हमारे बोन्स में, हमारे जो ब्लड वेसल होते हैं जिससे ब्लड फ्लो करते हैं उसमें, एंड हमारे जो हमें वाउंड्स जो मतलब हीलिंग ऑफ वाउंड, मतलब वही कभी हमें चोट लग जाती है या हम कहीं गिर जाते हैं तो जो ब्लड बहने लगता है, तो उसको जो हील करना होता है, उस वाउंड को जो ठीक करना होता है, उसमें जो है विटामिन सी हेल्प करता है, चाहे वो इंटरनल वाउंड हो, मतलब इंटरनल वाउंड हो या एक्सटर्नल वाउंड हो. ओके, सो दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ विटामिन सी. एंड व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज? इट इज लेमन, ऑरेंज, आंवला, टोमेटो, गुआवा, ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स. ओके, सो इसमें सिट्रस फ्रूट चाहिए हमें, और जो भी मैंने आपको बताया. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज विटामिन डी. So it is helps the body to absorb calcium needed for strong bones and teeth. तो जो हमारे को कैल्शियम चाहिए होता है strong bones और teeth से, जो खाना हम खाते हैं in which calcium is there, so it helps in absorbing that calcium and utilizing it for strong bones and teeth. Okay, so what are the sources? It is cod liver oil, fatty fish, liver, egg yolk. These are some sources of vitamin D. Okay, so vitamin D का एक बहुत अच्छा source है, that is sunlight. ओके, सो अभी 2 विटामिन और बचे हैं, तो मैं इसको इरेज करके आपको बताती हूँ. इफ यू वांट टू टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट यू कैन टेक. आई विल काउंट टिल 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. आई होप यू हैव टेकन द स्क्रीनशॉट. सो अब मैं आपको नेक्स्ट 2 बताती हूँ. ओके, Okay, so now after studying our all vitamins, only two are remaining. So let's see them. Vitamin E. So what is the function? It protects body cells from damage. मतलब हमारे body में जो cells होते हैं, you all know what is cell. Our body is made up of small unit and that are called cells. So हमारे body cells को damage होने से बचाता है. Okay, next is needed for healthy skin and eyes. So it ensures that our skin and eyes become healthy. Okay, and last one is build strong immunity. So what is immunity? There is one immune system in our body that helps to fight diseases. Okay, so वही होता है हमारा immune system, तो उसी को हम immunity बोलते हैं. So it helps in building stronger immunity. मतलब हमारी जो इम्यूनिटी होती है डिजीजेस को फाइट करने की जो हमारी क्षमता होती है उसको ये बिल्ड करता है. विटामिन ई जो उसको और स्ट्रॉन्गर बनाता है. ओके, लाइक इन दिस कोरोना टाइम्स वी सी दैट डॉक्टर्स आर आल्सो टेलिंग कि वी हैव टू बिल्ड आवर इम्यूनिटी, अपने इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है. ओके, सो इफ वी ईट विटामिन ई सोर्सेज देन आवर immunity will become more stronger. Okay, so what are the sources? It is nuts, seeds, vegetables, oil, green leafy vegetable, liver, etc. These are some sources of vitamin E. And the last vitamin is vitamin K. So it is essential in clotting of blood. So what is the meaning of clotting of blood? Like if you fall somewhere and it starts bleeding, खून बहने लगता है. So what happens? After some time it automatically stops. So due to vitamin K it stops. ठीक है, विटामिन के क्या करता है, उस ब्लड को वहां से क्लॉट कर देता है, मतलब ब्लड का रास्ता वहां से रोक देता है, सो दैट ज्यादा ब्लड ना बहे, क्योंकि ब्लड ज्यादा बहेगा सो इट कैन बी डेंजरस. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज फॉर विटामिन के? इट इज स्पिनच, ब्रोकली, कैबेज, एवोकाडो, ग्रेप्स, ब्लूबेरीज. सो इफ यू ईट दिस काइंड ऑफ सोर्सेज देन इट विल हेल्प इन क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. यानी इफ यू अगर आप कहीं इंजर्ड हो जाओ तो अगर आप विटामिन के सोर्सेज ले रहे हो देन आपका ब्लड जल्दी क्लॉट हो जाएगा एंड द लॉस ऑफ ब्लड विल बी लेस. ठीक है, so now I hope you understood all the vitamins and everything which I taught today. So if you understood then please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you soon with the next topic of this chapter. Till then, take care and bye bye.